Have you been hearing everyone talk about the Owala FreeSip water bottle? From students and office workers to athletes and travelers, the Owala FreeSip has quickly become one of the most popular reusable water bottles on the market. But is it really worth the hype? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Owala FreeSip insulated stainless steel water bottle to see what makes it so popular. Let's get started. The first thing that sets the Owala FreeSip apart is its unique drinking system. Unlike most water bottles, it gives you two ways to drink. You can sip upright through the built-in straw, or tilt the bottle back and drink from the wide mouth opening. This FreeSip design gives you the convenience of a straw while still allowing you to take larger drinks when you want. It's one of the biggest reasons people love this bottle. Now let's talk about insulation. The Owala features double-wall vacuum-insulated stainless steel construction. That means it does an excellent job keeping drinks cold for long periods. Many users report that ice stays frozen for an entire day, making it perfect for work, school, the gym, or outdoor activities. If you enjoy cold water throughout the day, this is a major advantage. Next is durability. Because it's made from stainless steel, the bottle is much more durable than plastic alternatives. It resists dents better than many lightweight bottles and doesn't absorb odors or flavors as easily. With proper care, it can last for years. Another feature people appreciate is the leak-proof lid. When the locking lid is fully closed, it's designed to prevent spills inside backpacks, gym bags, or car cup holders. That makes it a great option for commuting or traveling. Now let's discuss cleaning. The lid contains several parts because of the FreeSip mechanism. While the bottle itself is easy to clean, the lid may require a little extra attention to clean around the straw and drinking spout. Many users find that a small bottle brush makes cleaning much easier. What about size options? The Owala FreeSip is available in several capacities, including 24-ounce, 32-ounce, and 40-ounce versions. This allows you to choose a size that fits your lifestyle. Smaller bottles are easier to carry, while larger ones reduce the number of refills needed throughout the day. Now let's talk about the downsides. The stainless steel body is heavier than plastic bottles. And because it's insulated, it's not designed for hot beverages. It's also typically more expensive than basic reusable bottles. However, many buyers feel the extra features justify the price. So who is this bottle best for? It's ideal for students, office workers, travelers, gym goers, hikers, and anyone trying to drink more water throughout the day. The combination of excellent insulation, leak resistance, and the unique FreeSip design makes it stand out from many competitors. So, is the Owala FreeSip insulated stainless steel water bottle worth buying? For many people, the answer is yes. It's durable, practical, keeps drinks cold for hours, and offers one of the most innovative drinking designs available today. If you're looking for a reusable water bottle that combines convenience with performance, the Owala FreeSip is definitely worth considering. And that's our review of the Owala FreeSip insulated stainless steel water bottle.